Remember when the iconic MP3 players first came out and we were so excited about carrying 1,000 songs in our pocket? Here's a toy figure that will make you feel nostalgic about that time. iBoy is a homage to the beloved iconic MP3 player that changed it all. Attentions were paid to every detail to capture the beauty of the original. There are no electronic parts, but iBoy is still fun to play with. It also comes with these detachable little headphones. Cute, huh? That also means that it's transformable. iBoy will look great at home or in your office. It's got a nice retro touch for a little bit of nostalgia. All the buttons are clickable, making it the perfect fiddle toy. Pick it up when you're bored or stressed. Right now, the tooling for iBoy's mold is done, but we need your help for the next step, sourcing materials for mass production. With your support, you can get iBoy at a great Kickstarter price. All Kickstarter backers will also get an exclusive set of mini posters. We really love old product designs, which is why we started Classicbot. We've turned many classic computers into adorable figurines, and we are so glad for all the great reviews that we've received.
I believe iBoy will be our best creation yet. iBoy will bring back the memory of holding an MP3 player for the first time. We'd love it if you could help us to the next step. Let's bring iBoy to life together, shall we?